Good morning guys, in front of me is Motorola Moto G54 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. At first open new message or any other area where you've got access to your keyboard. So this is the layout that you need to reach. It doesn't matter if it's via message or browser or whatever. Once you've got it, tap on settings, select languages, click on add a language, pick the language that you want to apply, so you can either scroll all the way down till you find the preferred language, or you can use the search button and enter the language that you want to apply, click on it, tap on done, and now you can either stay with both languages or you can remove unnecessary one by tapping on edit, mark English and then tap on bin. Now let's go back, and as you can see, new language is already applied. So that will be all. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.